Hello. What's up? Is a food review today. Coba teka apa? Make a guess. It's a corndog by one and only my mom. I'm sorry, rupanya dah asyik semegah dah, but dijamin nyaman. One piece tu harganya 6 ringgit, RM 6.00. Okay, so let's try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dia sangat panas. Kayaknya hit the target. It doesn't pull. Up here, you can look inside. I'm sorry. Dijamin 100% mozzarella, guys. I'm not lying. See? Sorry. You can request for full cheese or half cheese and half hot dog. And then nya boleh, nya by means my mom boleh pola frozen corn dog. You know, macam curry puff frozen, but this is corn dog frozen. Okay, faham? Okay, kita coba tarik sekali. Mungkin jadi, maafkan saya, maybe it's the way I eat, but I'm such a failure. Sorry. Ni naman nila. So, cara mak layap makan this one. So, this is another one. It looks ugly because I dropped it on the plate just now. But so Azim, this is the one with kamja, potato. Oh, sedap. Okay. Never thought that it doesn't fit in my mouth, but if you want to see inside, thumbnail. The sausage, the cheese sausage, yeah, and the other half was mozzarella. See, I told you, like banyak gila cheese, banyak habis cheese tu. Excuse me for the sneeze. It's my appa. And this one, oh my god, this is so messy. Also, cheese and ada hot dog. Okay, so as I said before, you can request for fully hot dog or fully cheese or half of each, and harganya still the same, 6 ringgit. Looking forward for your orders.